Welcome to JCE Connect. I'm discussing on highway engineering, lecture number 2.7. In the earlier lecture 2.6, I have discussed side distance, various types of side distances. In today's presentation, I will be discussing factors on which the stopping distance depends. There are 5 factors: total reaction time of the driver, speed of the vehicle, efficiency of brakes, frictional resistance between the road and tires, and the gradient of the road. So first one, total reaction time of the driver, denoted small t. So this reaction time, there is action of any obstacle or animal or vehicle has suddenly stopped. There is obstacle to the movement of vehicle. So there is here a driver is reacting. So total reaction time of the driver. It depends. It is directly dependent. The stopping distance is directly dependent on the reaction time of the driver. If he reacts immediately, distance required, stopping distance will be less. If he reacts late, stopping distance required will be more. And this his reaction time depends on two factors, that is perception time, and the total reaction time may be explained with the help of this PIEV theory. Perception time is the sensation received by eyes, ears of driver to be transmitted to the brain through nervous system or spinal cord. So perception is receiving an input to the body, that is he is seeing the object, he is seeing the that is how fast the opposite coming vehicle is there, how suddenly an object has or an animal has appeared on the road on his way, or he is hearing, that is maybe horn or shouting, or he is receiving sensations. So that goes to his brain through nervous system or spinal cord. That is perception time. He is understanding the situation. Next is intellection time. Intellection is time required to understand the situation and comparing different thoughts, regrouping and registering new thoughts. Intellection time is, that is he's understanding, trying to understand the situation. Yes, he's coming in opposite direction, so I should be in my lane or I should change the lane, or there is an object or animal is coming, uh, uh, whether I should apply brake or I should accelerate and pass the obstacle. So he's intellectually thinking what need to be done, or he's if it is a, for example, a new driver is there, he is registering, it's a completely new situation for him. For example, driver has gone to Western Ghat section, so suddenly there is like a hairpin curve is there, sharp horizontal vertical curves are there. When uh, suddenly opposite coming vehicle comes, how he should tackle the, or how you should take the vehicle. So all this, that is new uh, sensations, new situations which he will be registering in his thoughts. Next is emotion time. By seeing that object or obstacle or opposite coming vehicle, whether is there a fear, anger, or mentally is get disturbed, or any other emotional feelings which comes out by seeing that uh, uh, obstacle. So we might have experienced when we are in traveling in city that any road vendor is not moving, suddenly there is anger arises, or any opposite coming vehicles coming in your way, that is in one way, then suddenly we react, we shout. So those kind of situations we have seen. So those are the emotional time required by the driver or the rider. Then volition time, by going through this perception, intellection and emotion, how suddenly he reacts, that is final action, whether he applies a brake, whether he accelerates, whether he is fearful and leaves the steering or handle is completely blank. So that is last final reaction time of the driver. So altogether perception, intellection, emotion is together is total reaction time of the driver. Just guess, this total reaction time of the driver is hardly 2 to 3 seconds. 2 to 3 seconds. So that is explained in this simple diagram. The P, the stimulus through the eyes, ears, the through the nervous system, it is going to the brain, and there it is intellectually and emotionally thinking or understanding and responding. Response is coming, evolution time or reflex time. Suddenly he will react irrespective of the content. There is very less time, so instantly he reacts, a fraction of seconds.